Turning your engine 1X475 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Same as well the power steering pump here, no problem. Starter, didn't see any damages from outside, no problem. Everything from this side is good. On top of this engine, everything is good. All the sockets in good conditions. And the turbo, didn't see any damages from outside. Turbo fins spin very good. And there's no up and down, very good, very nice. And down here the oil pump, gearbox good, no damage, no broken. And the engine is turning good.